Hey everyone, so in today's video, I will be showing you how to upload that video you want to upload to everyone to see on your YouTube channel, right? So this is my YouTube channel, and you want to upload that content, right? So the first thing you have to do is probably get a channel, right? That's the first thing you want to do, and it's actually quite simple creating a channel because well, probably on the video I'm going to talk about how to create a channel for that, and we can do that. But today is just to upload a video, and we'll do that right in a bit. So the first thing we're going to do is you go to your channel, okay, and when you go to your channel, you get to right here. You can create, okay. So when you click on create, and then you can upload that video. Okay, now it's going to take you to studio.youtube.com, which is where I use in uploading my video right there. And then you can upload that video to it. Now, I want to explain some things to you. So I'm probably just going to look for something short to upload. Um, let's see, maybe, I don't know, is there any video I have? Okay, so probably let me just upload what I've uploaded before. Then, I can just, now there are two ways to do this. You can either select or you can drag and drop. It works either way, right? And then you can just choose what you want to upload, right? I'm just going to choose now I'm just avoiding copyright strikes, so I'm just gonna upload something that I own. Okay, so I don't all right, let me just get a video here. I think that's easier. So let me just upload this. Right, I'm obviously going to delete it, but I just want to explain something. So why is uploading? We have the title, then we have the description. Now description talks about where you talk about your video, right? In this video, and I want to show you how to, and a lot of them. And then another key feature on the description is the fact that you have tags. Okay, so you can add tags of them. Let's say tags of maybe cooking or something, right? And yeah, cooking is actually a big deal. So if you're into cooking, so um it's actually one of the popular videos. And then thumbnail. The thumbnail is where it helps you to describe what the video is all about, and people are going to look at. In fact, most videos are attractive because of thumbnail, because thumbnail will help you to just, people don't have time to just read the title, so the thumbnail will just help you to just describe to people what your video is all about. So thumbnail are actually a great and essential tool. Let's say for example this is a thumbnail, right? um so this is what people are going to see literally when they're scrolling. Okay, this is it, maybe this is what I want or something, right? And then you have the playlist is so cool, right? I think I've done how to create a playlist, so you can actually check my YouTube channel. One of the videos, I think I've done that. Now playlists are actually a great tool because playlists will just put all your videos like an album, right? So it's easier to, if you want to tell people probably how to cook a goosey soup, or how to write this program, or probably you're doing program on C++ or Python, or probably how to operate a computer. You have a playlist called how to operate a computer. So you could just send people the playlist, and they will see all the videos step by step on how to do that. So it's actually a great tool for artists. Probably it's also a great tool for your album, right? And you could just tag that playlist album to be like, the playlist is like an album, could just be maybe Grace, and then you have songs on them that you can actually send to people, and they can just to your fans, and they can just see all the contents of them. So playlists are really an essential too. So I have some playlists to actually create your playlist. All you have to do is click on playlist and new playlist, and then they'll tell you, do you want to make it visible to public? There's some playlists that are strictly private or listed. Now what does it, this simply means that whatever video you don't want people to see, right, goes to unlisted. Only the link, we share the link, anybody can watch it. But for private, it means you have to add their email address for them to actually see the probably. It's an organizational video to show the employees on how to do this. You can make it private, right? Not everybody gets to see that. So this is actually a good way. And you could talk about the description of the playlist, or probably an album. They're all playlists, okay? So that's that. The next thing I want to talk about is when you scroll down, and yes, is it for kids? Now, if it's for kids, it's going to disable the comment section. So probably just say it's not for kids, right? So So age restriction is important. So let's take note of that. And then show more. Now, is your video a paid promotion? Is it paid promotion or not? If it's a paid promotion, you can check it out. You can check it. And now the tags. Tags are very important to just let people know what kind of videos you are actually uploading on this YouTube channel, right? On your channel, and in general on the YouTube platform. So what kind of videos are you? Is it cooking? And then you type it, then you press you type, you hit a comma on your keyboard, you know, to make it a tag. Okay, and they are separated by commas. You can see, okay, egusi soup. Okay, maybe you do afang soup, something like that, right? Just an idea, right, of what the video is all about. And if it's music, you can just put the music title, just like that, and then you can add them as much as possible. So it's actually a great tool. These are the things I actually use. I do allow videos and audio. People want to remix it, it's fine. And then the next thing is a category. What category is your video falling under? Is it education? Is it gaming? Is it music? Is it politics? Is it non-profit? Is it blog? Is it technology? It's all about what you want to do. Is it comedy? And also, these are the categories. It's important that whatever you're doing falls under the right category. Okay, that it falls on that, because if it falls on the wrong category, people may not actually see what you're trying to do. Okay, so I hope this helps. And if you've done that, you click on next, and then video elements, you could use cards to it. I normally leave it there except you have an end card to it, like promotional videos. Then next, copyrights are very, very important. You want to ensure that now they said copyright protected content found. The owner allows the content to be used on YouTube. Now let's see details. What are the copyrights? Okay, the copyright ID claim a video doesn't affect your channel. This is not a copyright strike. Okay, it's not a copyright strike. So good. So so there's no impact. Although it's the content used was in World Cup winner something. Okay, probably there was a World Cup I think I was sharing the screen when there's a World Cup. I was streaming on YouTube using this video, so probably there's no impact on it, but just to say that the algorithm actually works well. Okay. Okay. Then you can make it listed. And now another thing is, they said, remember, this video check iron final issues may come up in the future that may impact your video. Okay, so the next one is, like I said, private. If you make it private, it means you have to share them privately. You have to add their emails, okay, and then you notify them by emails. Okay, you can come in and watch the video. They will click on it and they can watch it from their emails. Okay, even when you send in a link, they have to open it with that email. Okay, now unlisted means anybody with a link, right? Unlisted means anybody with a link can watch it, right? I can share it as well. Public means anybody can have access to it. You don't need to get a link. Once they go to your channel, they'll see it right away. So these are ways to just explain um, um, how to upload your videos on YouTube. I hope that helps, and I hope this is able to just convince you. I'm going to cancel it, and then I'm going to delete it because obviously I don't want any copyright strikes or anything copyright. All my videos are genuine. Okay, so delete forever. Now delete forever talks about that whatever you delete on your YouTube, if this forever is gone, they tell you to download it first and then you probably can delete it. So for me, I'm deleting it. I'm taking this off forever. So it's gone. So yeah, it's important to do that. So thank you very much, and please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.